What is stack? Stack is a linear data structure in which insertion and deletions are allowed only at the end called top of the stack. Okay, stack is nothing but it is a linear data structure. Linear data structure means in which elements are arranged in a sequence, one after other, in that insertion and deletion means we can insert the element and deleting the elements are allowed only at the one end. See here, you are able to see this example. This is called stack. Here if we want to insert the element, we need to insert from this end only. If we want to delete any element, first we need to move this end only, we need to use and remove the element. Here we use push. If we want to insert, we need to use the operation called push to insert. If we want to pop out any element, we need to use pop, means remove the element out of the stack. The principle of stack is LIFO, means last in first out. The element which will be inserted last, that will be first out. This is a principle. Expression. What is an expression? Expression is nothing but combination of operands and operator. Okay. What is this operand? Operand is nothing but it is variables like A, B, C. These all are called operands. And the operator. What is the operators? Plus, minus, division, all these are operators. Okay, your expression is a combination of operands and operator. Here I have given an example: a plus b star c. Here a, B, C are operands and plus star that represent multiplication, that is operators. So we can say this as an expression. Yes, we can say this as an expression. Okay, in this expression only there are three types. One is infix, postfix, prefix. What is this infix? A mathematical expression where the operator is placed between the operands. Okay, before moving on to the symbol, could you see this example? A plus B. Here the operator as placed between two operator in between. So this expression is called infix, where operator is placed between the two operands or more. Okay. Next, postfix. It is a mathematical expression where the operator is placed after the operands. Means here you can see the example A, B plus. Here these two are the operands. This is operator. The operator is placed after the operand. This is called postfix. Next expression is prefix, a mathematical expression where the operator is placed before the operand. Are you see in this example? The operator is placed before the operands. A, B are operand. Before that, the operator has been placed. So this is called prefix. Next, we are going for the precedence of the operators. What is this precedence of operators? It is nothing but it is a set of rules that determines the order of operation in an expression containing multiple operators. Okay, we will take the example now. 2 into 3 plus 4. This is the example I have given. In this expression, which you need to perform first? Do you have any idea? So now here you can see there is a multiple operator. You will be having, I should perform multiplication first or I should perform addition first. So to answer that, we have this precedence of operator. It is set of rule which will be telling us which operator has the highest priority and which has lowest. So if you observe the table, in that first priority is given to this. Then we have asterisk and division symbol. This has a second priority, and plus and minus it has third priority. This is very important. Please make sure you note this, and it is very important because in when you are going to convert infix to prefix, infix to postfix, or that time this is very important. So this precedence operator will play a major role. Okay, and I want to make sure you to note one point. If any operand is in the bracket, inside the bracket, that has highest priority and need to pop out operator which is in bracket. Okay, this is one of the rule you need to remember before going to the infix to prefix, infix to postfix conversion. This is a precedence operator. Now next we will move on to the conversion of infix to postfix. Now we are going for the conversion infix to postfix. That is first. I hope you know infix. Infix means operator will be between the operand. That is called infix. Now this one we need to convert for the postfix. Postfix means the operators will be placed after the operand. So there are set of rules. So first we will understand. Here we need to go from left to right. The direction will be left to right. Priorities of an operator means we need to know the precedence of the operator. No two operators of same priority can stay together. Now take an example. There is a two operators having the same priority. So these two can't stay together. So that time we need to use left to right. Means this will be popped out. Left, which is the symbol is there or operator is there, that need to be popped out. Lowest priority cannot be placed before the highest priority. Now here division is there. It has highest priority. I can't place plus here because this has a lowest priority. So we need to pop it out. So let us go with another one example. So here you take input operator and output. Output nothing but it will be expression. So from which direction we need to go? We need to go left to right. So let us start with the left. Input is parenthesis. We will keep it that in a operator. Next A is there. A plus. Then it will be A will be an operator only. Next B. This we need to place in the output. Then closing parenthesis. So now we need to pop out this symbol. Then asterisk AB plus. Then opening parenthesis. We need to place it here. AB plus. Then C is there. C is there. We need to place it after this. Then minus. Minus will come here. Then as usual expression. Then D is coming. Minus AB plus CD. Then closing parenthesis is coming. So AB plus CD. Now we need to pop this out because it is the operator and is within the parenthesis. So let us pop it out. Then ash. Now the thing will come. Okay. AB plus CD minus as usual. Here you can see that asterisk and division symbol has same priority. So let us go from this left to right associatively. So now we need to pop out this because this is the first. Okay, so left to right. So we need to pop out asterisk. Then after that E will be there. AB plus CD minus star E. Then the remaining in this stack is division symbol. So we need to pop it out. So the expression postfix is AB plus CD minus star E slash. Now we will convert infix to prefix. Okay, first what is infix expression? If the operator placed between the operand, that is called infix. If prefix, operators are placed before the operands, that is prefix. Now we need to convert this infix expression to prefix. Let us start by learning the rules. First, reverse the infix expression given in the problem. First step is to reverse the expression. Scan the expression from left to right only. Left to right. Then, if the incoming operator has higher precedency than the top of the stack, push the incoming operator. Now, here plus is there. Now, I need to push the division. I can push this division into the stack because division symbol has more than higher precedency than plus. If the next rule, if the incoming operator has lower precedency than the top of the stack, print pop of the stack. See here, I have asterisk symbol. So now I need to insert plus. I can't do that. It is not allowed. So that time we need to pop out the incoming operator. Two operators can't stay together with same precedency. See here, these two operators have the same precedency. So it can't stay together. So we need to pop it out this division symbol because left to right we need to follow. Okay. Now here we are going infix to prefix. So first step 1, reverse the input. I am reversing the input. B plus A, this one. Okay. Here you will be having the doubt. If this parenthesis comes, we need to write it this parenthesis. If this parenthesis comes, we need to write this parenthesis. Open, when closed comes, we need to write open when we are reversing. If open comes, we need to write close. So as per that, I have taken this expression. Next step is, now we need to use left to right direction to convert postfix. Let us start. First, let me take the input. This is our input. Now, input, and it will be operator stack, and it will be expression. Okay, here input. We will start from left to right. You need to remember, we need to go left to right. C, asterisk. This one we need to place in the stack. Then open parenthesis, that we need to place in the operator stack. Then C. Then we are getting B. This is operand. Operand we need to place in the expression. Then operator. Plus is operator. We need to keep it, place it here. Then A. this after this CBA comes. Then after that closing parenthesis is coming. Then plus plus CBA. Now which we need to pop out? This first because it is under the inside the parenthesis. So we will pop it out. Then remaining it will be star. So that we need to pop it out next. Until the stack become empty, we need to pop out all the operator. So we got this expression. After that, last step is to reverse the output what we have got. Just reverse it. Plus A, B, C. The answer is this. Now we have converted infix to prefix.